I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now in this box, as you can see, this box comes from Nike. Alright, Nike.com, or should I say the Snkrs app. Alright, I got this shoe a few weeks ago, but it just recently shipped over the weekend. So I got it from the Snkrs app. I want to say it was the 27th when these released, day after Air Max Day, but they just got here. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. I'm getting this box the same time as you all. All right, go ahead and get it out of there. Boom. No receipt. Throw that box to the side. Ooh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Some of you are gonna know what this box is as soon as I show this box. You're gonna know what the shoes are, but boom. Alright, look at that. Black Nike box. Boom. Alright. Boom, all the way around. You see that there? And then you see on the sides here. Alright, anything on the bottom? Not much on the bottom. Alright. These are the Nike Air Max 1 Clot colorway net deep red orange blaze. Alright. I got these in a size 14. I kind of feel like that was a mistake. Kind of feel like I should have got this particular Air Max 1 in a size 13. I have some Air Max 1s around here. I love the Air Max 1. You know what I mean? Here's another Air Max 1. Alright, but from what I've been researching about this one is that it's not as cushioned. It's not as thick and cushioned as these. So I'm a little hesitant. I feel like I should have got a size down on this one, but we'll see. We'll see. But let's go ahead and get into these, man. I'm a little excited about seeing them. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. You can see there's some special papers in there, special inside paper, if that's showing for you all. And I want to say this is Chinese writing, but it's explaining. There's a chart there that explains what some of these things are. Alright. Sinus, ear, eye, cerebrum, cerebellum, all this kind of stuff. Just going over like your muscles and your glands and things like that. Alright. Now. Whoo. Whoo, man. Man. Oh yeah, they are a little bit thinner. Dang. These those clots, boy. Oh man. Let's go ahead and take this shoe tree up out of here. Man, it's these clot boys. Retail. Not resale. I hit on the Snkrs app. And funny story about that. I kind of was just playing for sport. These weren't really on my radar. I was actually going that same day for a shoe that's right here. We'll get to that one in another video. But the main focus for me that particular day was this shoe. But since I was on the Snkrs app, I said, what the hell? Let me try for these as well, because they're kind of cool. And sure enough, I hit on both that day. So, man, these are nice. Getting them in hand. Look at that bottom. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that bottom, man. That bottom is dope. That bottom is dope. Look at that. That's one of my favorite features of this shoe is that bottom, man. And then, of course, that clear. You see that? That clear toe box area on these. Alright? So you got to come correct. You got to come correct with the sock game. Some normal white socks ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna do it on these. You gotta come correct. And don't be one of these guys. I'm not gonna be that guy that's gonna be in this shoe with the barefootness. I ain't gonna be doing that. I ain't gonna have the bare feet in this shoe, and then it's gonna be all stank. And then nah, we're not doing that. Alright? So you gotta come correct with the sock game. Something that accentuates the shoe. And I think I got just the sock. But yeah, man, these are pretty dope. Now, as a comparison again, let me bring this one back out. They definitely aren't anywhere near as thick. Normal Air Max 1 right here, and here's this Clot. Look at the padding and everything that's on the inside of this. Look at all that padding and the cushioning. You can just see it. I don't even really need to get close. You can see that it's got a bunch of padding and cushioning, right? Look at that one. Nowhere near the amount of padding and cushioning. None. Around the back and the heel of the shoe. None. Alright? It looks nice. It looks nice. But it's nowhere near the amount of cushioning and padding as you would see on a normal Air Max 1. Alright? But, nonetheless, I'm going to just leave this one out for now. I keep going to it. Materials on here are outstanding. Outstanding. Nice leather material here going around the collar of the shoe. Nice leather material. And then you got a little bit even on the tongue where that Nike Air Max label is there. Some going around the eyelets, around there. And then it's almost like it's a snakeskin kind of leather with the swoosh. Alright, kind of that snakeskin feeling there. Nubuck. Nope, that actually might be suede. Suede going around the middle of the shoe, the midsole, not the midsole, but the middle of the shoe, and all around the front here. Of course, this is that clear kind of plastic on the toe box as mentioned before. Nubuck again around the back. So yeah, that's that leather going around, and you can see that Clot logo there in the center. Alright, very nice shoe, very well built. I like the color scheme, but let me tell you something, man. Quick backstory. I know I said that I didn't originally plan to get this shoe. It wasn't on my radar. I did think it looked cool, and I just kind of figured, hey, might as well go for it, right? In some cases before, I've done that and I let the shoe go. Say, for example, one of my biggest sneaker regrets. I got the Air Max, was it 90? It was the Off-White Air Max. Off-White Air Max, the sand colorway that has kind of this orange. I won those on Snkrs. I won them. I won them from Snkrs, Off-White Air Maxes. And before they even shipped it, 30 minutes after I won it, I canceled the order. And I said, there's nothing I have in my wardrobe that I'd be able to wear these shoes with. I'm not going to be able to pull these off. So I sent them back. I didn't even send them back. They didn't even come to me. I canceled the order, so they didn't even ship it. And as time went on, I just slowly regretted canceling that order. I just kind of was like, you idiot. You should have got that shoe and kept it. You should have got it and kept it, because as time has gone by, that shoe has looked more and more better to me. And I had it for retail. I'm not going to pay resale prices to go back and get it. But I had it for retail and just sent it back. With this shoe, nah. I'm not sending it back. I'm not canceling an order, obviously, as you can see, it's here. I'm not sending these back to Nike, changed my mind. Nope. They're here. I paid retail for them. I got them off Snkrs. I won the sneakers battle. And damn it, here they are, and I'm keeping them. All right. Let me go ahead and grab out the right bolt and see if there's any changes, any differences. Right shoe, second. All right, on the right boy, you have the red laces. All right, you have the red laces. Man, that might hit, actually. And they are a little bit of, these aren't your normal laces. These are kind of those waxed laces. If you can see that. These are those waxed laces. But man, that red might pop. That might go. It's also red. They're the wax laces. So I don't know. I don't know which one I might rock with them. I don't know. Let me see on the inside here. On the left, you see there's like another chart. You can see there's a foot there. And it looks like on the inside, they're showing you all like your pressure points. And that's also what the bottom's about. Showing you all the pressure points and, you know, things of your feet. All right. What areas that you can touch or hit on your shoe and what they affect. All right. Because on the inside of this one is that same chart that was on the inside of the box. And you can see that it says, let me get the shoe tree out of here. It says, you know, the sinuses, the ears, the eyes. It even goes down to your genital glands, insomnia points, your colon, your ureter, the pancreas, your stomach, your kidney, gallbladder. All this information is here, and it has the numbers as to where. And on the bottom of the shoe, the numbers match up. So it's telling you what pinpoint area, what these areas affect. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that's a nice touch. Oh, look at the red, the burgundy on the tongue. Beneath where the tab is here, you see the burgundy going down, and then on the sides here, that burgundy. I think that's a nice touch, man. Very nice touch. I really like the orange going around with that clear bottom. They nailed it. They really nailed it. They nailed it. As I mentioned that the green on the eyelets. They really nailed it with this shoe, man. Can't say anything wrong about this shoe. Not at all. It's very dope. Very dope. But let me get the right boy out of here. Y'all know what we gotta do now. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet with the Clots. Yes, sir. Clots on feet. I did take the red laces off. The red laces were on the right shoe, but I did take them off. But this tag right here, I didn't take it off because I wanted to read it. It says basically that this product is made with natural dyed leather and may have dye migration. Wearing it with dark socks is recommended. Alright, so it's basically telling you don't wear white socks with these shoes. So I have my black ankle socks on here. But just as I suspected with this shoe, with that lack of cushioning, there's nothing that's kind of pushing your foot forward. So if you all can see that there, you might not be able to see in the toe box area. If you all can see that, there's a lot of room. I have a lot of room in the front here. I have a lot of room in the front where normally my toe would be a little bit further up because so much cushioning. It's a little further back. Alright, so a 13 probably would have been the best option in these. They're not too bad. It's not like I'm walking and creasing or anything, but a 13 would have been a better option because they do not have the cushioning that these would have. They do not have the same cushioning. Alright, so keep that in mind. If you're going on the resale market, I would almost tell you to go a size down. From what you would normally wear in Air Max 1s, go down. Because these don't have all the extra cushioning. Alright. But let's do a quick sock change. Alright, here we are with the different pair of socks. The Muppet socks. These Muppet socks, kinda. I like that orange on the Muppet socks. These are the first socks I thought of when I got these shoes. I said, man, these beaker socks of that orange kinda go. It kinda goes, man. Just saw that nice orange there. And then you can see where my foot would be in there with that orange. I don't know, I thought it was kinda cool. But let's get a little bit of that coming at ya. Ooh, that bottom, man. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Man, listen. Definitely glad that I took the chance and went ahead and got these, man, because these are just too sweet. And I'm keeping them. I'm not gonna make the same Air Max mistake twice. I'm not gonna send these back and then later on wish that I would have kept them. Nuh-uh. I was fortunate enough to get a pair of these. And even though they are just, they're a tad bit long at 13. Man, I wish I would have thought about this or watched reviews prior to getting my own pair. I would have went for the 13. But even though they are just a tad long, I'm keeping them. I'm rocking them. These are mine. I'm not gonna have any regrets on this. Look at that bottom, man. Look at the bottoms. Woo! I just love the colors. These turned out well, man. These are great. Oh, did I mention on the back there's the Clot logo on the back of the tongue? Man, these came out nice. That leather quality on the tongue. Man, too sweet. Too sweet. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. We're going to go ahead and get into this one. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.